Let's hear it for your high school band. Welcome. Today we get the opportunity to send another team off to their state competition. They'll be heading to Ithaca, New York. Anytime I get a chance to speak, you guys know that I love to address the character that it takes to get somewhere, okay? And that's important, because if you don't realize that character is important here at TBA, you must be living under a rock, okay? But I thought about specifically the character of a swimmer. I thought about how they come off the block. They see their opportunity and then they spring off the block into action. I thought about how a swimmer meets resistance by finding a way to stretch themselves out, becoming streamlined to gain speed. I thought about how most people see walls as obstacles, but a swimmer can see a wall and see how to flip things around, turn things, and find momentum. I'm inspired by our swimmers today. I'm glad, as you guys may not know, our team also combines with Olean. They'll be combined with 3 other Olean swimmers and to swim in Ithaca today. And I cannot think of a stronger team of Huskies than one filled with Panther pride. Okay. We're going to kick things off, as always, with the national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Good morning, TVA! Let's hear it for our state qualifying swimmers. Swimming the 200 free relay, Tiana Herman. Also swimming the 200 free relay, Anna Slavinsky. Swimming the 50 free, 100 free, and also the 200 free relay, Megan Jackson. Folks, let's hear it for our state qualified swimmers.
put that PowerPoint slide up. I hope you all know what an amazing accomplishment it is to get to a state level competing, and I would hope that every one of you gets an opportunity to do that. These ladies have worked super hard to get to where they are. I'm going to follow on what Mr. Hirsch said about character, and we have a character initiative we're doing here, and it stands for C4. It's about your spirit, mind, social, and body. It's a heart that trusts your core values, know what's right, do what's right. A heart that hopes, your mindset, bounce back. A heart that protects, you connect and sacrifice, love covers. And then a heart that perseveres, stand firm, finish strong. So ladies, a heart that trusts. Trust, you have worked so hard to get where you are. You have put in hours and hours and hours in the pool, and trust all that preparation. It's going to pay off this weekend. A heart that hopes, and I know you do. You have this positive mindset. You can do it. You can do even better than you've ever done before. A heart that hopes. A heart that protects. I know you are there for each other. You cheer each other on. You yell and scream. You are there all the time. Your coaches are there for you too. And finally, a heart that perseveres. Finish strong, and as you know, you swim all the way to the wall, and if you could, through the wall. Let's give it up for our girls. Coach Herman, come on up.
Congratulations to our state representatives. I'm so excited for these girls and for all the fortitude to get to this level of competition. We only had 7 weeks last year of competition, so there was no way to showcase what they could have done and what they dreamed to do this year. With no class meet, no sectionals, or no state competition. These girls come back this 2021 swim season ready to compete, ready to persevere, and ready to give it all they got. This year was a testimony of how hard work, teamwork, and determination will get athletes to this elite level of competition. These girls can tell you that it was not easy to make it to states. There were some meets that didn't have some competition for them, and it was tough to make the times. So they would push each other to get to the next level. These girls really decided to step away from everyone else these last 3 meets of the season. Unprecedented times and speed and power they used to win matches or patches and titles to the class meet, to being a swimmer of the meet at sectionals, to finally getting the chance to make a statement at the state competition. And this is why we have 6 Olean swimmers at the state competition this year. At the beginning of the year. I know, awesome. And this is why we have, they worked hard and they began double sessions without confidence of believing that they could be there. Throughout the season, there was good times, disappointed times, and mountain decline times. Through laughing and crying and breaking her nail in water polo for a fun day. Anna, just breaking her nail, I don't know who did that. And little Tiana and Sarah getting inside a cap that the team managed to get them in. To Megan swimming her heart out, getting close to times every meet, but still concentrating on that goal of making states. And Alexis for showcasing her knowledge of the sport and mentoring her 2021 swim team to a state qualifying time in the 200 relay. The girls decided what they had to make to get to Ithaca College this year. They did it. These girls would not be here without the drive and the determination and their teamwork. And congratulations to McKenna O'Connell, the only diver here that made states that, she persevered, she overcame, and she accomplished so much and actually broke the Olean school record. I'm so proud of each and every one of these girls. Let's go get them. Let's break another school record at Olean. Great job.
Good morning, Frank LaVille. I'm Coach Wright. I thought I was going to get introduced like Coach Herman did, but not as cool, so that's okay. Thank you for having me this morning. I'm very excited to be here today to honor and send off not only these three, but the other three from Olean as well, but amazing swimmers as well as outstanding young ladies. So thank you for that. The only thing more exciting, of course, by you guys missing school is that we get to spend the weekend in Ithaca College competing at the state tournament. No, nothing? You guys are still sleeping? Yes. As Coach Herman said, there's three other swimmers that are attending this weekend with us. Mr. Brown, Coach Brown, who can't be there this weekend due to some family things, and Coach Landau, of course, wishes you the best, but she will see you there today as well, so just want to get them in there. We head to Ithaca College today to compete and swim alongside the best swimmers in the state. Keep saying, I don't do that. On the back of our team shirts this year, it says they never said it was easy, they said it was worth it. And that it completely tells us what this season's been about. These girls literally put in their blood, sweat, and tears to get to this point, and I couldn't be more proud to share this moment with them. They spent 30 minutes to the pool, 30 minutes after practice on a bus back home, and they've definitely put in a lot of time in and outside the pool. So thank you for having me. Best of luck, girls.
Good morning, everybody. Let's hear it for our swimmers. I think we all need to thank Megan, Anna, and Tayetta and the Olean swim team for bringing us all together today for such an exciting reason. These young ladies up here are excellent examples of what it means to be a student athlete. Whether they're in the pool, in the classroom, out in their community, they are hard workers and they always put smiles on people's faces. A little bit of an origin story of how I got up here. I may have jokingly mentioned coming up to this assembly last week to my 8th period class, and now here I am. We're always faced with challenges, and you can either step up or back down, and I stepped up for you ladies. So be very clear say what you mean, because otherwise you get up here with a microphone in your hand. So if anyone knows me or my classroom, it's probably safe to say 50% of my teaching is speaking, 50% of it is singing. Wouldn't you agree? Maybe a little more singing than speaking? Okay. So it seemed only appropriate to serenade these ladies. They thought I was kidding. Well, guess what? Joke's on you now. So are you guys ready? Because it's about to be a party in TBA. You're supposed to get excited, okay. So, first I just gotta say, these girls are on fire! But not literally, they'll be in the water. They're not literally on fire, okay? Stay here, you're not going anywhere. Tayetta, you get the first little jingle. Oh, she looks terrified. You don't have to sing, I sing. It's okay. All right? Does it weird feel being up on stage with everyone looking at you? Do you know why they're all looking at you? Because they really feel like you're gonna win at state. She is, right? Give her a round of applause. Give her a round of applause. And Megan, before you are about to dive into the water, I want you to think about the wise words of our Queen Adele. Do you know what's coming? Don't go easy on the Megan. Don't go easy on them. Make waves, as your beautiful poster says. Hold that up there, Kaylee. And Anna, I just have a question. Are you a Swiftie? You are? Big fan of Taylor? Okay. Because this is what I think she would say to you. Please go swim faster than someone else. She would say that. So to all of you, my message is, I believe you can swim. I believe that you're gonna win. I believe you can swim. But in all seriousness, now I'm gonna reel it in and actually give you your pep talk and not just sing at you. Swimming is the one sport with no half times, no substitutions, no timeouts, and you only get one shot at your goal. And this is it. And we're all here to tell you that you guys can do it. You have made us all so proud, and we are so happy to cheer you on as you go for states. Now for you guys, I need you to cheer so loud that they can hear you all the way in Ithaca. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Go get them, ladies. And now for our amazing jazz band.